Have you ever felt stuck in a cycle of overthinking? You know, when your mind keeps running in circles, analyzing every little detail, and you end up feeling more confused and overwhelmed than when you started. You're not alone. Overthinking is a common challenge, especially for high achievers who want to make the right decisions and, just get things right. But overthinking often leads to mental exhaustion, stress, and weirdly, indecision. So today, we're going to talk about how to break free from that cycle and find the clarity that you need to keep moving forwards. For those of you that don't know me yet, I'm Janet Mohapi-Banks, and I'm a transformational happiness coach for high achievers and soul seekers who wake up feeling empty despite their outward success. By helping you to rewire your brain for happiness, I help you to go from burnt out and dissatisfied to living a life that feels as good as it looks. Now, overthinking happens when we're stuck in our heads. It's driven by fear. Fear of making the wrong choice, fear of failure, fear of the unknown, yeah? And whilst it's natural to want to think things through, overthinking often paralyzes us and keeps us from taking action. Because here's the thing. Clarity doesn't come from thinking more. It comes from thinking better. And that's what we're going to focus on today. But before we go into the steps, I'd like to invite you to download my free workbook, The Freedom to Be Happy. This is a totally free workbook that will go an awfully long way to bringing you the awareness you need to make the changes necessary to live the happy, peaceful, fulfilling life that you want. You can find the link in the description and I'll pin it to the comments too. Okay, let's get into it and give you the tools you need to stop overthinking. The first step is to recognize when it's happening. Pay attention to the signs. These might be things like you're replaying the same scenario in your head over and over, or you're second guessing decisions that you've already made, or maybe you're just stuck in a loop of what if questions. When you notice these patterns, pause and name them. Simply acknowledging that you're overthinking can help you to create some distance between them. Step 2 is to shift your focus. Overthinking often happens because we're focused on things that we just can't control. So to stop overthinking, shift your focus to the things that you can control. And you can ask yourself, what's the smallest step that I can take? Or what's within my power to change right now? For example, if you're overthinking a work project, focus on completing just one task instead of trying to solve everything at once. Treat it like a chocolate cake and eat it one bite at a time. Action creates momentum, and momentum clears the mental fog. So step 3 is to set boundaries for your thoughts. Give yourself permission to think, but set limits. For example, if you find yourself thinking about something that you'd rather not be thinking about, schedule a specific time to think about it and stick to that time. Use a timer to limit how long you're going to spend ruminating about it. When the time is up, shift your focus to something else. This practice trains your brain to avoid that endless spinning. Step 4 is to practice decision-making confidence. One of the biggest causes of overthinking is the fear of making the wrong decision. But here's the truth. No decision is perfect, and every choice teaches you something. So try this. When faced with a decision, make one. It doesn't matter which decision you make, you cannot get it wrong. Then once you've made that decision, tune into your body and just see how you feel. Do you feel heavy or light? Do you suddenly feel a sense of dread at the pit of your stomach? Or do you feel airy, like you can breathe a little fuller? Our bodies often know the truth better than our heads, so we just need to learn how to listen to it. Which leads us nicely to step 5, which is to get out of your head and into your body. Overthinking disconnects you from this present moment. So one of the best ways to break the cycle is to engage your body. So go for a walk or do some light exercise. Practice deep breathing to calm your nervous system, or use grounding techniques like feeling your feet on the floor, or do a 30-second grounding meditation. Bringing your attention back to your body helps quiet your mind and create clarity. Overthinking is a habit, but it's one that you can easily change. By recognizing the patterns, shifting your focus, setting boundaries, building decision-making confidence, and engaging your body, you really can break free from the cycle and find the clarity that you need. So take a deep breath with me now. Maybe just another one. And just notice the difference that just 2 breaths has made. You have the power to stop overthinking and start living with greater clarity and ease. And to help with that, I'd like to remind you to download the free workbook, The Freedom to Be Happy, which will give you some amazing insights that you can work with. The link is pinned to the comments. Now, next week, all being well, I'm going to share something really exciting with you that will give you more access to my help when you need it. So if you're not already subscribed, please do that and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on this opportunity. And if you want private coaching with me, the link to have a chat about doing that is in the description. I look forward to hearing from you. And if I don't, well, just know that you've got this, and I'll see you next time. Bye.